Meet Amy. She's raking in enormous commissions, selling multi-million-dollar luxury real estate. Exotic vacations, fancy cars. Amy is living an opulent lifestyle. Amy was invited to deliver the keynote speech at a prestigious real estate conference. She's now considered one of the top agents in the region. The audience looks on, eager to gain wisdom from Amy's extraordinary success story.
Amy, we'd love to hear the story of how you first got your start in real estate. Please share your origin journey with us.
Absolutely. My journey into real estate began when I decided to get my license. I studied extensively for the licensing exam. I was consumed with textbooks, flashcards, courses, fully immersed in exam prep for weeks. I knew the test would be challenging. The sheer amount of laws, regulations, math to comprehend was so overwhelming. The concepts were incredibly complex. Despite endless studying, I failed the practice exams multiple times. I just couldn't grasp everything. Each failure made me more frustrated. I even threw the practice exams across the room. I started to lose hope. Just when I thought I might have to put my dreams on hold, I came across Real Estate License Wizard online. Their engaging video lessons and realistic practice exams finally made the concepts click. The light bulbs came on with Real Estate License exam on my very first attempt. With my new license in hand, the next step was getting sponsored by a reputable brokerage. I set up a modest home office, just a desk, computer, and phone. My little real estate empire was open for business.
Amy began networking constantly at chamber events, association meetings, anywhere she could meet contacts. She tirelessly canvassed neighborhoods, knocking on doors, introducing herself to homeowners. Her enthusiasm was magnetic. Amy's weekends quickly filled with hosting open house after open house, talking to everyone who entered. She became obsessed with analyzing market trends and statistics to provide the best counsel. After immense diligence, Amy finally got her first sold sign. More listings followed. Her perseverance was paying dividends. Now, years after getting her start, here was Amy delivering the keynote speech at the industry's premier event. The audience sat captivated, inspired by Amy's against-the-odds origin tale.
Amy, what do you enjoy most about the real estate business?
The unlimited income potential is compelling, but most rewarding is helping clients make the largest purchase of their life. I've watched many grow up and have families over the years.
What tips can you offer agents just starting out?
Know every detail of your local market, trends, values, neighborhoods. Become an expert. This knowledge will prove invaluable. Also, constantly generate new leads, open houses, referrals, networking. New prospects are the lifeblood of your business.
What mistakes did you make early on?
I wrongly assumed real estate would be easy money at first. I quickly learned immense drive and work ethic were required.
Can you share more of the tips that helped you succeed?
Time management is huge. Create schedules and routines to maximize productivity. But also remain flexible for clients. Be available whenever clients need you. Give them your full attention. Do more than expected. Provide 5-star service. Finances. Save commissions for slower periods. Have ample reserves. Budget wisely. Find an experienced mentor. Their guidance can save you from costly mistakes. Remain coachable throughout your career. Hone your negotiation skills. Use proven tactics to advocate for your clients and get the best deal. This will give you a competitive edge. Referrals are gold. Provide such excellent service that your clients can't help but rave about you endlessly to their friends. Make yourself available at all hours, nights, weekends, holidays. Real estate doesn't keep 9 to 5 hours, so your schedule can't either.
Amy mingled with admirers long after finishing. The next generation of real estate stars drew inspiration from her. Her advice lit a spark in the audience. Aspiring agents made connections, motivated to put in the hard work necessary. Amy's story proves, with unrelenting passion and grit, you can achieve your wildest dreams. She earned every bit of her success. While the yachts and cars are nice, Amy's real reward is enriching so many lives. Her clients became family over the years. Do you want to make the same impact? Real Estate License Wizard offers free practice exams and prep material to help you easily pass the test and set sail on the career of your dreams. Start your journey today at realestatelicencewizard.com.